Ants are among the most organized and ecologically significant creatures on Earth. They belong to the order Hymenoptera, the same group that includes bees and wasps. With over 12,000 known species, ants inhabit nearly every ecosystem except the polar regions. They are renowned for their social intelligence, living in highly structured colonies that can contain millions of individuals, making them a key model for studying cooperative behavior and ecological evolution. Body. Divided into 3 segments: head, thorax, and abdomen, connected by a narrow waist, petiole. Exoskeleton, covered by a tough chitinous shell for protection. Antennae, used for chemical communication, pheromones, and sensing the environment. Mandibles, vary by species, for biting, cutting, or carrying. 6 legs, equipped with claws for climbing surfaces. Wings, present only in males and queens during mating. Scientific classification of ants: kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Formicidae. Major ant species and their characteristics. Species characteristics. Role, impact. Carpenter ants, large, black, and live in wood. Can damage homes but aerate soil. Fire ants, red, with a painful sting. Aggressive predators, ecological threat. Honeypot. Ants store sugary liquids in workers' abdomens, food source for other creatures. Leafcutter ants cultivate fungi in their nests, exhibit farming-like behavior. Slave maker ants steal larvae from other species to enslave. Example of insect slavery. Bullet ants, large and powerful, live in small colonies. Hunt prey larger than themselves. Ecological roles of ants. Pollination. Some species aid in pollen transfer. Soil aeration. Their tunnels improve air and water penetration. Natural recycling. Feed on carrion and organic waste. Pest control. Prey on insects harmful to crops. Conclusion. Ants are not just tiny insects. They represent a complex micro-ecosystem showcasing remarkable behavioral and adaptive sophistication. Studying ants helps scientists understand evolution, social organization, and even robotics. Ant colonies are like miniature cities operating with a harmony that may surpass human planning. E. O. Wilson. Ants, Formicidae, represent one of the most evolutionarily successful and ecologically significant insect groups worldwide. As members of the order Hymenoptera, which includes bees and wasps, these eusocial insects have diversified into over 12,000 described species occupying nearly all terrestrial habitats except polar regions. Their remarkable social organization, featuring complex colony structures with millions of individuals, has made them model organisms for studying collective behavior, communication systems, and ecological interactions. Morphological characteristics. The ant body plan exhibits several specialized adaptations. Tagmata, 3 distinct body segments, head, mesosoma, and metasoma, connected by a narrow petiole. Exoskeleton, composed of sclerotized chitin providing structural support. Sensory apparatus, elbowed antennae containing chemoreceptors for pheromone detection. Mouth parts, variably adapted mandibles for defense, food processing, and brood care. Locomotion, 6 thoracic legs with tarsal claws for substrate adhesion. Reproductive structures. Alate forms possess membranous wings for nuptial flights. Taxonomic classification. The systematic position of ants is kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Formicidae. Ecological specializations of major ant groups. Taxon adaptive features. Ecological function. Camponotini, carpenter ants. Powerful mandibles, polymorphic workers, wood modification, nutrient cycling, solenopsis, fire ants, venomous sting, polygyne colonies, ecosystem engineering, pest status Myrmecocystis, honeypot ants, physogastric replete cast, liquid food storage in arid habitats, ADA, leafcutter ants, fungus cultivation mutualism, herbivory, soil turnover, polyergus, slave-making ants. Raiding behavior, worker parasitism, social parasitism, paraponera, bullet ants, powerful neurotoxic venom, predation, defense. Ecosystem services ants provide critical ecological functions. Bioturbation, enhance soil structure through nest construction, nutrient cycling, accelerate decomposition processes, seed dispersal, facilitate myrmecockery for numerous plant species, trophic regulation, maintain arthropod community balance, symbiotic relationships, engage in mutualisms with plants, bacteria, and fungi. Research significance ants serve as important model systems for sociobiological studies of division of labor, chemical communication networks, co-evolutionary dynamics, bio-inspired engineering applications. In their collective intelligence, ant colonies demonstrate principles of decentralized control that inform our understanding of complex systems. E. O. Wilson. This version maintains scientific accuracy while improving flow and incorporating more precise biological terminology. The table now better reflects phylogenetic relationships, and the content emphasizes the organism's scientific significance. I've kept the essential information while making it more suitable for an academic audience.